Hello everyone, you are most welcome to solve this problem. We are asked to find the value of x from this nice math problem. To find the value of x, our math solution, we will rewrite this equation, that is 9x square minus bracket x plus 2 the whole square is equal to 0. From here we are going to apply a math formula, that is if x plus y the whole square is equal to x square plus 2 into xy plus y square. We are going to apply this formula for this. That will be 9x square minus bracket x square plus 2 into x into this 2 and this 2 will square is equal to 0. Now 9x square minus bracket x square plus 2 to the 4 this x and this 2 to the 4, here is plus, is equal to 0. And now we are going to distribute this minus to all these terms. That will be 9x square minus plus minus x square minus plus minus 4x minus plus minus 4 is equal to 0. Now here is positive 9x square negative 1x square will be positive 8x square, this minus 4x and minus 4 is equal to 0. Now we are going to divide with 4 to this term, and there is 2x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now this equation become a quadratic equation, so that we are going to apply the quadratic formula from here. That is x is equal to minus b plus or minus a square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we are going to insert the values of a, b, c, and b is minus 1 and this plus or minus a square root of b is this minus 1 the whole square minus 4, this a is equal to this 2 bracket 2 into c is equal to this minus 1 and there is 2 bracket, that is a is equal to 2. Now from here minus minus plus 1 minus plus or minus a square root of 1 minus 1 square is equal to positive 1. This minus and this minus will be positive, minus plus, and there is 4 to the 8. Now 2 to the 4. Now 1 plus or minus a square root of 1 plus 8 is equal to 9 over 4. Here we find the two values of x, that is x1 is equal to 1 plus a square root of 9 is equal to 3 and over 4, that is equal to 1 plus 3 is equal to 4 by 4 is equal to 1. This is the values of x1, and here is x2 is equal to 1 minus a square root of 9 is equal to 3 over 4 is equal to minus 2 over 4 is equal to 2 1 za 2 2 za 4 minus 1 by 2. This is the final answer of x. So we have find the values of x. If you enjoyed this video, so please subscribe our channel for more such kind of problem. Thanks for watching.